guys, it's Chloe. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a boho inspired makeup tutorial. I have this kind of brown lip, a little pop of gold. Just kind of inspired to do a boho look. If you like these types of videos, give it a thumbs up. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and without further ado, let us get into the tutorial. This is a rose water spray, and this is what I use to prep my makeup first. Just gonna spray that all over my face. It's very refreshing. For my brows, the Tattoo Studio medium brown. Don't apply this directly on my brows. Brow spoolie like this. This is the one by Anastasia. I take my e.l.f. lash wand. Take my Glamouflage concealer. Taking that with a angled brush, Pro Angled Liner Brush by Sephora. Taking my e.l.f. brow gel. This one has literally run out. I'm gonna brush it up and then I comb it down on the top. Before I do my eyeshadow, I always prime my eyes. It's the Urban Decay Primer Potion in Eden. I really love this. It makes the eyeshadow show more pigmented. I'm gonna take another concealer brush. Then I'm gonna take my finger, I'm going to pat that. I'm gonna take this Winky Lux, it's a diamond powder. Take my wet dry shadow brush and we're gonna bring it up to the brow bone. To prime my face, I'm gonna be using the Smashbox Radiance Primer here, and then I'm gonna blend that out. Now I really like this because it makes my skin really glowy. To my Naked palette. And I'm going to grab the color Naked right here. This is going to act as our transition shade. This is a Lexi 249 Duo brush. I'm going to take this side right here and I'm going to go into my peach palette now. I'm going to go into Puree. It's a very pretty matte brown shadow. I'm going to tap off the excess in the crease first. Hold my eyebrow up like this, just so I can get in there. I'm going to take the Luxie Small Angled Brush in 215, just kind of looks like this. A matte shadow right here. Now this is where we're going to mimic the cut crease look, so I'm going to apply that. See, I just drew like a crease. So it looks crazy, but we're gonna blend it out. So next, I'm gonna take my blending brush and I'm going to dip it in the Charmed I'm Sure. Tap off the excess because it's really pigmented. And then this is where the magic happens. So you're just gonna go ahead and continue to blend into the crease. So you just want to kind of blur away that line. Okay, to soften out the look, I'm going to take Sephora Crease Brush Blend. I'm going to take Summer Yum right here. And I'm really just going to focus just this color in the crease. Cute. To take the same angled brush, I'm going to dip it in Charmed I'm Sure again, just a matte brown eyeshadow, and I'm just going to drag this on my lower lash line just to kind of give it some smoky effect and to kind of balance out the eyeshadow. I'm going to take my primer potion again and I'm just going to apply this just like that. And just like that. Go in with my Sigma smudge brush. Focus this right in the center. I'm gonna drag it down. I'm gonna go back in with the blending brush. Focus that, kind of blend it so there's no harsh lines. The Bella Pierre Cosmetics. This is the color in Celebration. It's a super pretty gold color. Look at that. I'm going to take my Sigma eyeliner EO5 brush. It kind of just looks like this. Pick up some of that gold. I'm going to spray it so that it's super pigmented. Putting this right in the inner corner. I'm going to focus it on the outer corner. Outline this crease that we did. I'm going to go ahead and set the center lid. So I'm going to take my Winxie dust again. I feel like I'm in Rome right now with this gold. I'm just going to go ahead and curl my lashes. I'm going to be doing wing liner today, so I'm going to take my Maybelline Master Precise. I'm going to do one coat of mascara. I'm using the Bad Gal Bang. While I let my mascara dry, I'm going to actually just go ahead and do foundation. For foundation today, I'm going to be using the Rimmel Stay Matte. This is kind of a hit or miss for me. I don't know if I really love or hate this foundation. I feel like sometimes it is a little too cakey. And then I'm going to go ahead and take my Mario Rose Water Spray, kind of wet my beauty blender, and I'm just going to pounce this on my face. Don't forget your neck. I'm going to be taking my Bye Bye Under Eye Full Coverage Anti-Aging Concealer. This is a little mini one. So cute. You kind of need to be careful when you apply. Like a little goes a long way with this concealer. But I'm just going to pat this. Beauty blender again. I go in with my CoverGirl concealer to draw a line down the bridge of my nose, and I'm going to blend that in with my beauty blender. To set my makeup with my IT Cosmetics, the Bye Bye Pores pressed powder, and take my clean beauty blender, and what I do is I rub this in it, see, and I'm just going to bake. So I'm just going to set my under eyes. And down here. So I've been loving these lashes. These were actually sent to me, natural looking lashes. A lot of you guys have been asking what lashes I've been wearing recently. Eyelash glue, I've been using this Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive with aloe. This actually dries black, so I love that. Pop my lashes on. Super love these lashes, you guys. Like, look how amazing. I think I've been baking enough, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. Thanks, love. You're the bestest in the westest. Did it spill?
A little bit.
Thank you, baby.
No problem.
I'm gonna go ahead and go in with that same powder. To take my Bare Minerals, just go ahead and swirl it in there, tap it, and I'm gonna set the rest of my foundation. Take my NYX matte bronzer. This is in the color medium. I'm gonna go in with my Bare Essentials angled face brush. I really love this for contouring. So I just kind of swirl and then tap, and then I just do the fishy face, and I just kind of tap it in my skin first, and then I kind of swipe up, like what you should do on Snapchat when I post a link, you know, swipe up. my beauty blender and I'm just going to pat it, and this is going to also soften up the bronzer. I learned this technique from Jaclyn Hill and it makes so much of the difference. Do you see how much like softer it is? A big fluffy brush and just kind of blend it again once more. My lips are looking a little crusty. My boyfriend is the sweetest. He brought me Wendy's. How crazy. The Matte Blush Trio by City Color. These are highly pigmented blushes, you guys. I got this in my glam bag. So amazing. So I'm going to go ahead and take Fresh Melon right here, which is a very light pink. Taking that with a e.l.f. blush brush, I'm just going to lightly tap. Look how pigmented this blush is. Like, I barely touched it. This smile, what a lot of people should do nowadays. Apply it to the apples and then swipe up into my cheeks. I'm going to be taking this Bahama Mama bronzer by The Balm. Dip some of that in. I'm going to just contour my nose. What I do is I start from the tip of my nose. Like, dang, look at how much of a difference that makes, you guys. I feel like I can't go anywhere without contouring my nose. And then I just drag it along the bridge of my nose to this side. But I'm going to go ahead and blend it furthermore. So I'm going to take my e.l.f. foundation brush and I'm actually going to just blend it. Taking the color Nectar, highlight my inner tear ducts as well as my brow bone. Yes, give me life highlight. Then I'm going to go into White Peach right here. And this is the white highlight that I use to highlight my nose. So I'm going to go ahead and just do an exclamation mark right down the center of my nose. And then I'm going to highlight the tip of my nose. Snatched. Moisturize my crusty lips. While my lips are kind of like, you know, hydrating, I'm going to go ahead and go back into the eyes. Eyeliner by Beauty For Real. And it's just a gold eyeliner. And I'm going to go ahead and just line my lower lash line. Take the Pure Fully Charged Mini Mascara. Apply this just to my lower lashes. Turn the wand like this, just so I can really get in there. That's what he said. Just kidding. For highlighter, you guys know my holy grail is the Becca Champagne Pop. Take my Mario Badescu spray again. To really make this highlight pop, I'm just going to spray my face. Just in the areas where I would apply the highlight. Dip it in the Champagne Pop. And oh my god, you guys. How cute. I always get a lot of compliments too. Like one time I was getting a smoothie and this lady just stopped me and she's like, oh my god, what is that highlighter on your face? And I was like, Champagne Pop. I'm gonna also highlight just my nose right here. For lips, I'm going to take my Kylie Dulce K lip liner. The NYX Lingerie. This is in the color Beauty Mark. Ooh, girl. I love the way these feel on your lips. I love this color. Go in with White Peach again, and I'm going to take my highlighting brush and just highlight my Cupid's bow. To set this whole look, I'm going to be taking my setting mist. Supergoof actually sent me this setting spray, so I'm actually going to try it for the first time, you guys. Water and sweat resistant SPF in it. It smells like the beach. Cannot forget about this. I'm living for this. So that is it for this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and I'll film more like this. Let me know if you guys like in-depth tutorial. Leave it in a comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!